Hey guys, so if you've been watching my videos, then I have like a really cool resource for you, right? So if you've been watching some of the teardowns, you've been watching some of the landing page rewrites, like before and afters, you've been watching like me rewriting it live with someone else, then I've had the exact formula that I've used on those, on those videos, and with every single client that I work with over the last like 5 or 6 years has used some sort of variation of this formula, right? This is the latest version. Where you can download on my website. I'll put the link in the comments as well, so you can download it. So basically it has the exact formula, like section by section, on exactly what you should do, what it should say, like formulas for the headlines, what each section should say, and then explaining how to do it, right? So I have like a 17-minute long video explaining section by section with examples, what it should say, what it should do, how you identify this stuff, like every single thing, almost like a landing page mini course with examples. It has like a Google Doc where you can download the full PDF. It has, again, the video explainer. So this is a resource that you can share with your team. You can try it yourself, stuff like that. There has a bunch of examples here of companies that have used this formula. And also all the results that you may have seen on my website or on YouTube, like double the trials, 50% more demos. This came from that landing page formula. Same thing for this one, where you got more MRR, which was positioning and messaging change, a 20% increase in conversions in all stages of the funnel. Parts of this was from a landing page, because also this has like more components to it, like the onboarding process and cancellation flows and all that stuff. For example, Barometrics Recovery had amazing results with this. Like they had, the messaging was so good that they had customers that churned to come back and bought the add-on that the landing page was designed for, right? So it was an add-on, like an upsell, not the main product that Barometrics sold, right? 25% more demos. This was a pricing page in particular, right? So pretty much every like 80% of the results that I've gotten here that I've shared on YouTube, and literally all the teardowns that I've done, are based on how this formula works, and then the details and what works and what doesn't. So I spent years perfecting this, and I just want to share it with you. Make sure you download it below. You try it out. You can download it. You can watch the tutorial. You can share it with your team. It's for free. And that's what I like to do, just provide as much value as possible. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Feel free to email me or chat with me on LinkedIn, and share with me what you came up with. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you enjoyed this teardown, and see you around on LinkedIn and YouTube. Cheers.